Hey guys, my name is John Davies and welcome to this lesson on applying the 11-stroke roll to the drum kit. So guys, if you don't know what an 11-stroke roll is, I suggest you check out my lesson linked here. And if you want the PDF to the lesson, just click the link in the description below. Okay, exercise number 1, we are going to play the 11-stroke roll as a fill idea in 16th notes. We're going to start the idea on the and of 1 and it's going to finish with the accented single on beat 4. Let's check out the slow demo. Okay, now 1 bar groove, 1 bar fill, and we're going to start at 60 beats per minute. Okay, exercise number 2, we are now in the 6/8 time signature. Let's check out the demo really slow. Okay, 1 bar groove, 1 bar fill, and we are going to start this at 60 beats per minute. So guys, if you're enjoying the lesson, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And obviously, if you have any comments or questions, just chuck them in the comment section down below. Okay, exercise number 3, we are in triplets and we are also accenting on cymbals. So this is a 2-bar fill idea. The first bar is going to be played just with single strokes. In the second bar, we're going to fill in those singles with doubles. So 2 bars groove, 2 bars fill. For the groove idea, we're just going to use a basic swing pattern and we're going to start this at 90 beats per minute. Hey guys, I'm just interrupting your lesson very quickly just to let you know that I've released my first online course. The course is an introduction to hand technique, primarily dealing with the rebound stroke. In the course we learn about grips, we learn about fulcrums, we learn about positions, We learn about essentially how to make the stick work for us. So I've been teaching for well over 20 years now, and when it comes to hand technique, this is the first thing that I teach all of my students. So the course I put together goes over the fundamentals, but primarily there's a lot of practicing videos where you can practice along with me. So if this is something of interest to you, then please just check out the link in the description below. Back to the lesson. Okay, exercise number 4, we are back in 6/8 time signature, and this time we are just going to be playing a 30-second note idea on the hi-hat within the groove. Let's check out the slow demo. Okay, let's check out what this sounds like in a groove. The tempo we're going to start at is 1/8 notes at 150 beats per minute. Okay, our last idea is similar to the previous one where we're going to be playing 30-second notes. This time it's all going to be on the hi-hat, and we are also playing a 16th note groove. Let's hear what this sounds like starting at 60 beats per minute. And that's it, guys. There's 5 examples of ways in which we can use the 11-stroke roll on the drum kit. I really hope you've enjoyed that lesson. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And obviously, if you have any comments or questions, just chuck them in the comment section down below. And I will see you on the next lesson. Cheers.